bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin nǹkan bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at Iyesi-Ota, Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesi-Ota. Don't forget, I'm the publisher of all these books. African Power Part 2. This is the latest book now in the market. African Power Part 2. This is African Power Part 1. African Power Part 1. This is Honey as a Medicine. Honey as a Medicine. This is Healing Power of Honey. Healing Power of Honey. This is Solution to Woman Problems. Solutions to Woman Problems. You can get all these books as e-books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. You can get them on your WhatsApp, especially if you are not in Nigeria. If you are not in Nigeria, you can get all these books as e-books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. But if you are within Nigeria, we can send the books to you. Once you can pay for delivery charges, we can send the books to you within Nigeria. Yes, if you are in Port Harcourt and Abuja, we go to Puria office every Tuesday. If you are in Port Harcourt or Abuja, the second day you get your books. But if your home is not in Port Harcourt and Abuja, you are in Cross River, Ado Ekiti, Ondo, you get your home the third day. We only go to Puria office every Tuesday. So if you pay on Tuesday afternoon, you have to wait till the following Tuesday. You have to wait till another Tuesday. Don't forget, this is the latest book. Today, I want to tell you another way to overcome your enemies. There are some people, they are very close to you. They move closer to you, not because they like you, but just to do bad things in your life. There are some friends, when they come to visit you, you will not make sales in your shop that very day. You watch that, anytime this man or this boy or this girl comes to visit me, I will, the next 3 days, sometimes you won't make sales. Maybe you book appointment to your houses, if that is the case. Or you know, when sometimes when you visit there, they come to visit you in the shop. You will tell them, I want to go somewhere. You will take excuse. You will take Okada in their presence. He or she will leave you. After 10 minutes or 15 minutes, you will come back to your shop. When Lot was following Abraham, he was doing effort to Abraham's life. But immediately, Lot left Abraham. A big road and weighty. Yes, Abraham became weightiest man. What you can do, I will tell you now. You get hot water, then you get cold water. You know what? If you put a cold water, if you put it on the table like this, even if it is the one you just remove from the freezer, tó ti sẹ̀wọ̀n, Yorùbá call it, ó ti di sẹ̀wọ̀n. If you put it down, after 30 minutes, what will happen? It will hot. When you put hot water on the table, in a glass of cup, if you put it on the table, after some time, what will happen to the hot water? It will come down. It will cold. Hot water will become cold when you receive air. And the very cold water the very cold pure water or bottled water, when you put it on the table after 30 minutes, it will get hot. It will not cold again. So you get a cup of hot water, or you can put it in a kettle. You boil it on the stove or on the gas. Maybe like 3 or 4 cups of water. You put it on the stove. Then the cold water you want to use to take your bath that day, you join hot water with cold water. You know you cannot separate again. You pray on it that I have mixed cold water and hot water together. I cannot separate them. It is only God that can separate that cold water from hot water. God, it is you alone that can separate me from my known and unknown enemies. Some people are visiting me. They are bad people. They will come to near me to do me bad things. I don't know them, but it is you that can separate me from bad people. As from today, please God, anybody that you know is moving with me in this life, especially this 2022, that is delaying my progress, God separate us. He will be alive, I will be alive, and they will begin to do better things in life. After your prayer, go and take the water to bath. Don't add anything to it, apart from hot water and cold water. Try it. I put it here. Yes, solution, healing power of honey, agbára ìwòsàn is here. Many people tried it and it worked for them. Don't forget this book. If you collect soap from herbalist and it's not working again, don't throw them to the bush. What you will do is inside the bush to revive the soap again. And some people, they travel back to their home now, to their village, to collect soap. You don't want witches and wizards to destroy it for you. What you can do is here. African Power Part 2 is here. You collect soap. After some time, it works for you. It doesn't work again. What you can do to revive it is here. You need crowd puller in your school, church, or event center is here. What you can do, simple thing is here. Many things are here. Many things are here. If you buy this book, you will enjoy it. African Power Part 2. It was released online on December 15, but it's not available. Hard copies are not available since December 20. Some people, they are not ready to buy the books. They want free information. I will not teach anything that I put inside the book. I will not teach it again free of charge. No. I may be teaching you something, but the one in this African Power Part 2 and Part 1, I will not release the secret again. Some people are waiting for the time when I will be releasing it. The way I did for them, in only as a medicine. Those who bought this book, they were not happy that they bought the books and I was teaching them free of charge. It's true. If I happen to be one of them, I will do the same. Some people, they are waiting for all these YouTubers who stole my work and reloaded. And they don't know that those people that are stealing my work, they are indirectly misleading them. If I say people should use honey and coconut water, they will ask you to put cinnamon there or put bay leaf there so that I will not be able to sue them. If you follow that type of people, you are deceiving yourself. It can never work. Sabologun says, sir, do what I put inside the book. This is a fodu. A fodu ki sama foloko. This is nice shade leaves. If you want to be popular, you want everybody to know you. You are an herbalist, you are a pastor, you are a prophet. You also need popularity. You want people to know you all over the world. What you can do is here. This is inside this book, African Power Part 2. Yes. There's another one. We can use old newspaper. How to do it to get popularity all over the world. It's in this book, African Power Part 2. And those of you that are stealing my work, I beg you in the name of God, stay clear. Don't tamper with these books again. Don't. If anybody steal my work again and reloaded it on YouTube or so, you will not spend the money. You spend the money on sickness. you will spend the money on sickness. Ẹ̀yin tájà fi ń bọ́ mi ẹsẹ̀ ló fi ń bù jẹ ẹ tó sáré mọ́ lè sapọ̀ mọ́. Just see my work again o. Some people will just they will buy the book they will go and reload on YouTube. Yes. Enough is enough o. I've forgiven you. All my words that you posted from Honors a Medicine book, I've forgiven you. I've forgiven you, mo dáríjì yín. Don't tamper with this one again. Don't. I know how many days, how many months I spent to publish this one. When I was busy doing this thing, all the programs I did on YouTube that time, if you see my face, you see I was very lean. I went on fasting because of this book. That anybody that do any work on this, my book, spend his money, it must work for them. And God has heard prayer. Because many people are now coming to buy the book and they are giving testimony that it is working for them. You can get the books at Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesiota. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesiota. You can go to Mushin. I have a branch at Mushin. CAF Communications, number 4, Alukolaro Street. Number 4, Alukolaro Street. Mushin bus stop, Mushin. If you go to Bariga, number 36, Laje Road. Number 36, Laje Road, Bariga. My books are only at here. If you go to Ikotun, Sele Egbe, from Sele Egbe, enter Maruwa that is going to Agodo Egbe, Oja Agodo Market. Number 2, Famous Obu Street. Number 2, Famous Obu Street, Agodo Market. We are there. We have a branch there. Don't forget to watch my other channel, Kini Show. Because the program you are watching today is Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. And my phone number is on the screen. 08054749455. You can WhatsApp, you can call this line. But not that you'll be calling me by 11 p.m. No. Anything after it, I don't receive calls again. I have time to rest. Don't forget to watch my other channels. Kini Show Television. Kini Show Television. You see the phone number for that one on the screen. Kini Show Television. And don't forget to watch and subscribe to my son channel, Mr. Last Born Comedy, Adewusi. Please help me watch that channel and subscribe. Because I used to feature there as well. I used to post many things there. All the things we are posting on Baba Oloyin, the videos we are uploading here, they are different entirely for the video we are loading on the Kini Show and Mr. Last Born Comedy. Mr. Last Born Comedy, I used to feature there and load different videos there as well. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.